I just want to speak out against it, because I really think, especially us as Jews, have a responsibility, because right before, like, we were the ones being followed, and in many ways we still are, but we have another position in society because, for example, if I don't wear my Magen David, people won't necessarily think that I'm Jewish, or anything. So I also have, like, I have another privilege, which also gives me another voice, to speak out against this, because usually if you're part of a minority that's oppressed, and you're speaking out against oppression, you won't get listened to as much as if you aren't, simply as unfortunately. That's also why it's so important to stand up for each other, because we are so similar. We are so similar people, and we really have a responsibility to look out for each other.